When assessing CVs, we're obviously looking to ensure they've got the technical or the academic qualifications for the role. But more than that, we look for examples of outside of work activities, things that help get their personality across and show that they can sort of be a team player and fit in with the business culture.
In the CV, I'm looking for work experience. People that have worked in their part-time, in their spare time, whatever the job's been, if they've been able to have a job as well as studying.
First thing we're looking at is skills, if this individual does have any skills, and again then we'll be looking at their experience.
Something that stands out, something that makes the person individual, something that literally would make you want to then speak to that individual.
My top tips for young people preparing for an interview, be it college, university or for a job, would be to research the role and make sure you map out your experiences and why you feel that you're fit for that role, and make sure you demonstrate in the application form.
What I do expect is for people to be on time, have good manners, and really eye contact is a big thing for us.
Learn about themselves, so they've almost got to have answers ready so that if the nerves start to get the better of them, they'd practiced what they were going to say beforehand.
Ring up, there is somebody there in the HR department who's willing to tell you what the company is about, but don't come to an interview without being informed of that. They need to have that information.
Accept that you're going to be nervous, because everybody is nervous, no matter how many times they've done it. Nerves are a good thing. But to be prepared, get your mum and dad, a friend, and go through it and practice and practice and practice, because do you know what? That's what makes perfect.
I would say have a look at the company that you're applying for. Everybody's got websites these days. Have a look at their website, look at what they actually do, because nothing impresses me more than if somebody comes in and says, oh, I believe you do this.
Everybody should have two or three strengths and weaknesses that they can just say like that without even thinking about it. They should have it written down what they've done to date, and then be able to be proud to say that they've achieved this, they've worked there. If they've not written it down and then they forget to tell us about it, we don't know it's happened.